there are always exceptions to the rule. I mean, we can always point out someone who overcompensates in one area for another. It's kind of interesting. They always used to talk about Napoleon as being so short, but I've heard some things lately that revisionist history suggests that he wasn't as short as we thought. He was more of average height for that day. But yes, the thing you have to realize, there's always exceptions to the rule. And if someone is willing to do anything possible to get to a position, I guess you have to acknowledge that person's overcompensation. The question I might ask, though, is, could Napoleon be a leader today? You know, it's also dangerous to look at history in the context of modern times. You know, I know that the left is very happy, you know, taking down statues of, you know, segregationist generals or disparaging presidents who had slaves, but I think it's really easy to criticize Thomas Jefferson, you know, for impregnating an African-American woman. That's easy to do in 2024, but, you know, I think it's a little bit unfair to judge, you know, his actions then by today's standards. So we're evolving, we're developing, and you know, I don't know that Napoleon would have much luck having anyone follow him to Waterloo today. Well, thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you heard, please give us a like. If you'd like to see more of these sessions, please subscribe. And if you would like to see the full video, just click on this link right here.